clouds, the lands of waterfalls, the lands of rain, Meghalaya, represent my beloved city, Shillong, Scotland, best known as Scotland. Uh, it's really a very beautiful experience, especially of the first day, where I could have been able to mingle around with poets coming from different parts of the world, listening to the recitations of poems by poets from different countries and different languages. This indeed had been a very beautiful experience, and it is a kind of a very peaceful experience where we could have been able to listen to the poems composed in different languages by different poets of different countries of the world. As we are entering into the second day, and I really hope that today also we will be able to get along, to mingle along, to sit, chit chat around with points from different parts of the world, sharing our views and ideas, knowledges, experience about poetry, composing in different languages. So I congratulate the organizers of this International Multilingual Poets in 2018 for being able to organize in a very professional manner and making each one of us as point delegate feeling home far away from home. So all in all, the management, the preparation is very, very good and up to the expectations of every point coming from every country, from different countries. So I do wish that I will be able to take part again and contribute in my most humble way towards the success of the future international multilingual poets meet in the years to come. So as this had been my very first year, the experience all in all was indeed memorable, and I have lots of good memories to take back home. So wish again the success of this international multilingual points in 2018 and in its future meets in the years to come. Thank you so much. Thank you.